Channel. My name is Kaylin if you're new, and I'm back with another hair video. I'm so excited to get into this video because today I'm going to be trying out a 4C edges wig. I know you guys have been seeing this trending all over everywhere. Like, the wig companies are just, the wig game is crazy. Like, what's next? The company that I'm working with today is called Luvwinhair. They are a new wig brand on the rise. So they were kind enough to send me this kinky curly 13 by 4 transparent Swiss lace wig, which means that it's a 13 by 4 full lace, 4-inch parting space. And the best part of the wig is the 4C edges. I'm telling you, that feature is just there to help you, and I want to talk to you guys about it. So if you're interested and want to know more about this 4C wig, keep on watching. Luvwin does pack you a nice little bag of goodies. You know, you get everything you need in there to help you, feel beautiful with your wig. All the details about this wig will be in my description box, along with a code so that you can save money on your purchase. This wig does come in 20 inches and it is the kinky curly texture. However, I did go in and cut it just a little bit. I just trimmed off a little bit so that it can look more natural for me. This was my first time trying a 4C edges wig and this is my first time in a long time installing a wig. I think it's been over a year since I've installed a wig. So when I tell you, I had to install this wig 3 times before I finally liked it. I found myself doing way too much. Like, this wig does not require all that. Like, I ended up, when I first got the wig, I bleached it. It didn't need to be bleached. I plucked it. It didn't need to be plucked. Like, the edges right here make it look so natural. You don't need to do any of that extra plucking. So I did all that and it didn't need to be done. What I found that worked best was just putting the wig on without a ball cap. I have a ball cap on because I didn't feel like taking it off, but I am outside because I wanted good lighting. So in my house, it was giving off a weird cast, and I wanted the hairline to look as natural as possible. So I wanted you guys to get a real visual of what this wig will look like if you're outside or in good lighting, and what it looks like. Now, let's get into these 4C edges. The purpose of the 4C edges is to help you so that you don't have to worry about laying those baby hairs, and so that it can detect away from the lace. It makes your lace look super natural, so that it gives you that natural hairline. Instead of a laid down perfect hairline, you get that natural, I didn't do my edges and my hair looks good kind of look. So I do have some pointers, and of course I'm still getting used to this, so I don't know how exactly I would wear these 4C edges. Right now I just kind of have them doing nothing, just so that you guys can get an idea of how it looks. But maybe I will see how it looks with some gel later or something. Like I said, less is best with this wig because it is a transparent lace. You don't really have to do that much to it. The lace takes the color of your skin after. So I suggest just gluing the wig down, not putting the foundation on until after you glue it down, so that it can get that perfect color match. But other than that, the lace is nice and thin and perfect for any skin tone. The hair is a kinky curly texture, and I think it is beautiful. It mimics natural hair to a key. Like, I put some product in it today, but the other days when I was wearing it, I didn't put any product in it because I loved how beautiful the curls were wet, and so I just seen how it dried, and I didn't want it to be weighed down. But of course, if you're dealing with natural hair, there's no product in it. The curls got bigger and bigger and bigger, and it kind of lost definition. So I put product in it today so that it can last me like a little wash and go. and I like it, you guys. I really like it. I really don't have anything to complain about this wig, and I like it. Right now I'm here for it, and I like it. It's a 10 out of 10 for me, and I think you should try it out too. Give these 4C edges a try. I might go play with it some more to get, you know, more comfortable with it. I did cut a lot of the 4C edges off in the front right here. If you can't, I don't know if you can tell, because to match my hairline, they do give you a lot of edges. So I cut off a lot just to match my hairline. So be mindful of that. All the details about this wig will be in my description box. I hope my video was helpful for you, and if you like to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.